thank you for all. I will discuss about class 6 math subject highest common factor and lowest common factor. Hello. Uh, you already know that I have discussed about LCM and HCF for different process, but I start this H, HCF and LCM uh, syllabus page number 130, page number 130 and chapter 1.2. Already we have discussed about this HCF and LCF, but I discuss again for three numbers. Suppose three ribbon, length of three ribbon, length 4 meter, semi, 6 meter, 50 semi and 22 meter. We have to find out the little, that is minimum length or highest length. We take highest common factor so that the ribbon will be completely cut up. No part will be destroyed. How can we find this? We take or we convert all this to semi. 7, 5, semi. 1, 6, 50, semi and 2, semi. Now you already know that we have to find out the A shape of these three numbers in different process, but I discuss how can we solve this easily. For this reason, subtract the least number from any bigger number. Suppose 2, 4, 7, 5 minus 1, 6, 5, 0 equal to next 2, 4, 7, 5 minus 2, 2, 0, 0 and 2, 2, 0, 0 minus 1, 6, 5, 0. When we subtract this number, we get 5, 2, 8, and after this we get 2, 7, 5 and this 0, 5 and 5. Look here. Of these three difference, only 275 is the least number. We can take this by taking 275. Look here, 275. 825. These also be divisible by 275 because 275 into 3 equal to 825, and also 275 into 1 minute, 275 into 2, we get 550. That is 275 is the implies 275 is the HCF of seed numbers. That is the greatest length equal to 2757 equal to 2 meter 757. That is the minimum length or the highest. This also if we take the length of each piece 2 meter and 757, then no length of these three ribbon will be destroyed. It can easily, we can find out these are the one method. You already know the other method of to find out HCF and also LCM. These are by difference, taking the difference of this successive number and taking the minimum number. So we can take another example. Now take another example. Suppose sum that is total sum is rupees 40. We take this in two boxes, of which minimum point is rupees 5, what would be the amount of rupees of these two boxes? So that total rupees will be 40. That is, take here, divide 8. Total rupees is divided by minimum rupees 5. Now 8, we take 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4. That is 7 plus 1, that also be 8, 2 plus 6, that also be 8, and so on. But of these four pair, mutually mutual prime number 1, 7, 3, 5. That is two pair. So therefore two boxes may be 1 into 5, 7 into 5, and 3 into 5, 5 into 5. Five and look here. Here minimum is 5 rupees in one box. Either boxes if rupees 5, then another boxes rupees will be 35. And if in one boxes rupees 15, then in another boxes will be rupees 25. So that sum of these 2 rupees, that is 5 plus 35 equal to 40, and 15 plus 25, that also be 40. Now if you take the another two pairs, then this condition will not be fulfilled. So that will be the vast discuss that will taking. So these are the method. We only take the mutually prime number. Which are mutually prime number, that pair we should take. Okay. Next question. Now find the two number. Here also we divide 60, 15. Sorry, 12. Now 12 equal to 1 into 12. 12 2 into 6. Here also look here, of these three pairs, two pairs, one, 12 and 4 are prime number. So two numbers will be 1 into 5 and 8. Will be and look here, of these two pairs, here HCF is 5 and LCM 60, and here also look here 15 and 20 of these two pairs, here also HCF is 5 and LCM is 60. So if LCM and HCF is given, then we can easily find out the two numbers.